Welcome to Lunsum El Dorado, a premium residential landmark by Lunsum Properties, located in the heart of Narsingh, Hyderabad. Just minutes away from the bustling financial district, this project redefines luxury living with world-class design, unmatched amenities, and seamless connectivity. Introduction to the project. Lunsum El Dorado is not just a home, it's a lifestyle statement. Spread across two iconic towers, each rising 40 floors high, this project offers a total of 872 thoughtfully designed apartments. With spacious 3 BHK configurations ranging from 1860 to 2180 square feet, every home here is crafted to provide comfort, elegance, and functionality. The possession is expected by December 2025, making it an excellent opportunity for both end users and investors. One of the biggest highlights of Lunsum El Dorado is its strategic location. Situated in Narsingh, the project is just 2.1 kilometers from the Nehru Outer Ring Road, ensuring smooth connectivity to all parts of Hyderabad. The financial district, Gachibowli, and high-tech city are just a short drive away, making it an ideal choice for professionals working in IT and corporate hubs. For leisure and shopping, Inorbit Mall is within easy reach. Travelers will appreciate the proximity to Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, located just 20.2 kilometers away. Whether it's work, education, healthcare, or entertainment, everything is within close reach. Apartment configurations and pricing. Lunsum El Dorado offers premium 3 BHK apartments with sizes ranging from 1860 to 2180 square feet. The price range starts from 1.82 crore and goes up to 2.29 crore, making it a perfect fit for high net worth individuals and NRIs looking for luxury living in Hyderabad's most sought after location. Architectural excellence. The project stands tall with two towers, each soaring 40 floors into the sky. The design incorporates modern architecture with a biophilic approach, ensuring that residents enjoy not just luxury but also a connection with nature. Open spaces, lush greenery, and thoughtfully planned layouts create a serene environment amidst the urban landscape. Luxury amenities. Lunsum El Dorado is designed to offer a lifestyle that goes beyond the ordinary. The 6-level clubhouse, spread across 50,000 square feet, is a hub of recreation and relaxation. Highlights include a 30th floor sky deck offering panoramic views of the city, an elevated skywalk connecting the towers, indoor and outdoor sports facilities including badminton, squash, basketball, and tennis courts, a swimming pool, fully equipped gym, and yoga center for fitness enthusiasts, a preview theater for private screenings, dedicated spaces for children, senior citizens, and community gatherings. Connectivity to landmarks. The project's location ensures easy access to key landmarks. Scholars International School is just 3.9 kilometers away. Avasa Hospital is 5.7 kilometers away, ensuring quality healthcare nearby. Hyatt Gachibowli, a premium hospitality destination, is only 6 kilometers away. Raidurg Metro Station is 9.4 kilometers away, connecting residents to the city's metro network. This makes Lunsum El Dorado not just a home but a well-connected lifestyle hub. RERA approval and trust factor. The project is RERA approved with registration number PO24002654, ensuring transparency, trust, and timely delivery. Lunsum Properties has a proven track record of delivering premium projects, making this a reliable investment for both domestic and international buyers. should invest? Lunsum Eldorado is ideal for high net worth individuals seeking luxury living, NRIs looking for a premium property in Hyderabad, professionals working in the financial district and high-tech city, families who value connectivity, lifestyle amenities, and a secure community. Closing. Call to action. Lunsum Eldorado is more than just a residential project, it's a vision of elevated living. With its prime location, world-class amenities, and luxurious design, it offers a lifestyle that few can match. For those who aspire to live above the ordinary, Lunsum Eldorado is the perfect choice. Book your dream home today and be part of Hyderabad's most iconic residential community. Lunsum Eldorado. Rise above. Live beyond. Contact information. For bookings and more details, contact Gaga Realty at 7799707077.